Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick little follow-up on the video that I had posted just a couple of days ago about the ear savers and the face mask clips and the door handle helper things, all of that stuff that I was making a couple of days ago. Everything that everybody has ordered so far is almost done and should be put in the mail in the next couple of days, so if you have ordered anything, it's coming your way. Also, a big shout out to anybody who did order anything. We really appreciate it.
Deep down in my heart, I love you.
But look, I promise. See, here's some of the door handle things. You got the ear savers. Like, I'm crushing it. They're on the way. They're almost there. They're basically at your front doorstep right now. So that's gonna bring me over to my next point, which is that we're gonna do a slight modification to how we were previously going to handle all of this as far as like what's the cost. And I originally said that they were gonna be free and you were just gonna pay for shipping. Unfortunately, that's not the case anymore. You're gonna be charged full price for everything. No, I'm just kidding. So they're actually gonna just be free. I'm gonna just take care of all of it. If you want one, you let me know and I'm gonna send it. However, I am gonna leave a link in all my videos from now on for a donations page. So if anybody wants to donate anything to us to show support or to help me cover cost of the filament, anything would help. If you can, feel free to do so. If you can't, just share the page around for somebody that might need something and might need to contact me. So that would be just as equally appreciated. So we're definitely just trying to make it as simple as possible. So if you want something, definitely contact us, let us know. I will ship it to you free of charge. And if anybody wants to donate, you can donate. I mean, that's pretty much all I got for you. I mean, as soon as I get everybody's orders completed and shipped and I get completely caught up on what I have to do with those, my priority is then going to be shifted back over to making another batch of these ear savers to send off to the hospital that I had sent off previously. So therefore, if anybody else has a hospital that they would like to take, you know, a sheet of 5 or 10 or whatever, like, you know, have me make them and then you can take them to a hospital, or you just want to recommend a hospital or any kind of local place where people are in need of those, definitely let me know and I'll get some sent over to them as well. If anything else changes or if anybody has any other questions, you can contact us on our Facebook page. You can contact me directly on my Facebook page. As per usual, everybody I think pretty much has that all figured out. Once again, everybody stay safe and stay healthy, and we will see you guys in the next video. Also, I know this is kind of like, whoa, at the end here, but was going to let everybody know that I'm finishing up this video. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning right now. Probably going to end up finishing this video about 5 a.m. I'm planning on maybe going live around 9 a.m. So this is kind of a test of what everything would look like. It would be nice to maybe have a cup of coffee with everybody. So until then, we will see you guys in the morning.